Hey, my name is Jackson Mabe. I'm in Business 153, Human Resource Management, and this is my oral presentation for the Occupational Safety and Health Act. So the Occupational Safety and Health Act I have never really heard of before taking this class. I'd never really done research on it. I didn't really know anything about it. So this was very interesting for me to be able to learn a little bit about it. So the Occupational Safety and Health Act came into effect in 1970 by Congress. They created this act to ensure the safety and healthful working conditions for workers by settling and enforcing standards and by providing training, outreach, education, and assistance. So Congress found personal injuries and illnesses arising in the workplace by different situations, and this was imposing a substantial burden upon interstate commerce in terms of like losing production, wage loss, medical expenses, and disability compensation payments. So by encouraging employees and employers to reduce the number of occupational safety and health hazards in their workplace, they were able to stimulate employers and employees to institute and perfect existing programs for providing safe and healthful working conditions. So by providing this act for research in the field of the Occupational Safety and Health Act, they were able to include psychological factors that involved developing innovative methods, techniques, and approaches for dealing with occupational safety and health problems, that they were able to make the workplace much more safe. So by exploring this field, they discovered all kinds of different latent diseases. These establish causal content between disease and the work in environmental conditions, and conducting other research related to health problems, recognition of the factor that the occupational health standards represent a problem often different from these that involved in the occupational safety. So by encouraging the states to assume the fullest responsibility for the administrations and enforcing the occupational safety and health hazards and laws, they provided grants to the states to assist and identify their needs and responsibilities in the area of the Occupational Safety and Health Act. So by encouraging joint labor management efforts to reduce injury and disease arising out of the employment, it was able to make the workplace much more safe, which is always good. So this was a little bit about the Occupational Safety and Health Act. I know that I learned more out of it, and I'm hoping that you did as well. Thank you.